What's up, guys? So I'm out here with Gennaro. He's on the phone. We are in Edison right now by Rutgers, and we are filming this beamer right here. We're doing some rollers today, and we just stopped under this bridge to get some quick still shots and stationary shots. And it's been a while since I vlogged. This is Nick's BMW. It's an M4 2017, and he just got it wrapped. So for that, he asked me to do a video for it because the picture doesn't do it justice.
Crazy ass interior too.
I know, the interior is so nice. Yeah, and if we have to move, we have to move, I guess. I'll do it quick. Check out some of these rollers.
Like, what is it? Control Shift 4 or something?
Yeah.
Captures the screen.
Look at this. I'm submitting this to BMW.
Well, you know, should, because so many of my guys get onto the.
Just dropped Gennaro back off at school, and then say goodbye to Nick. And I'm gonna go home, take a look at the footage, and hopefully get it done over this weekend. But this weekend's really busy for me. I'm working all day on Saturday and then most of the day on Sunday, so I'm pretty much only gonna have today and then Sunday like evening to work on the video. Plus I have a paper to write, but I could just get that done really fast. I'll rush through that today. And then yeah, that's that. So the reason I haven't really been vlogging lately or uploaded anything at all is just because I've been so busy with school. I have a paper to write, like I said before. Just a lot of stuff. And today I was filming, and I figured, you know, I might as well vlog, because why not? So yeah, here I am vlogging. Hopefully things clear up and I could start uploading more and doing more stuff. But yeah, I'll get home, I'll show some of the video, and then whatever else I do today. Alright guys, so I'm here and it's the end of the day. Linked up with Hannah Ray, and we got some BK. That totally wasn't meant to rhyme. All of that just rhymed. Anyways.
Wow.
So yeah, like I said, that's it. I guess this video was kind of a quick update, more than an actual vlog. But yeah, I haven't uploaded in a long time, but I'm gonna try to start doing more cool stuff so I can upload more.
I got a job, so you probably won't see me anymore.
Yeah, Hannah got a new job at a daycare, so she's very busy now. But yeah, other than that, nothing else is new. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.